Snow Sniper Airsoft Battle?
Welcome to Snow Sniper Airsoft Battle Solos. Let's party.
Time for Airsoft in the snow. Last one with balloons.
Is this dude
wins.
perfect?
It's just gonna be fun. Kobe's coming right down the road.
Oh, so the live. Oh, okay.
Come on! Thanks for the slump buster code! That was borderline a miracle shot.
If I get the win, that's 4 airsoft battles in a row.
It's just a beautiful day to be out on the slopes. There's no rush. The balloon popping can be later. I don't even have a weapon right now. I'm just enjoying the,
Oh, baby! I don't even have a weapon yet!
What a cheap shot.
Looks like a great gun. Also looks extremely heavy.
Dude, it's so crazy that these dudes are still going.
Get away the land. This will work.
Like, these dudes have been making videos, bro, for so long, and they've been
I've
so
always wanted
good.
to say this
Like,
line. Sun's out, guns out,
I
baby.
always thought they were gonna run out of content.
Yeah.
Like, back in the day, I was like, bro, there's no way they could just keep going forever. And these guys have literally just been elevating and elevating and elevating, and they're just fucking great.
See a little cabin and
They're
stuff
so
down there.
great, bro.
Let's do it.
All right, dude, there's Corey. He's coming down. Definitely out of range.
Corey didn't see us, he's down at the bottom. As you can tell, we're back to solos, which is a good thing because Kobe's obviously a massive liability. What a start.
Let's go, baby. No way.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Don't pop.
Please be what I think you are.
Yeah, Daniel, we'll watch. We'll go back to it after this.
This is a prank. This is a joke. Does anyone have like a knife or a chainsaw?
Damn. Why is it or a chainsaw? Damn.
We got a balloon. I'm right
They hitting shots, bro.
Oh, the sun is so heavy. Come on, baby, you're stuck now, Buster. Take it out. No way. We've got a snowmobile. Oh. Get out of here, boy. Get. That's the 2-for-1 special. This is not good.
2-for-1 special.
We got a building down here to our left. I think we're gonna go look at. I don't think anybody's hit it yet, but we'll see.
This is what I look like every time I go play Nurse. It's literally like a combat battle every time.
Yeah, that's time.
No way he's hitting that, right?
Let's go.
Bro, if he hit that shot,
Got him.
ah! Get a rumble!
That was Gary. Make sure he's not coming behind us again. Okay. Whew, he's gone.
How'd that guy get around the building so fast?
How many did I lose? Just one. Okay.
I gotta find some cover.
Straight night, but for straight
Go back
people.
and get
Chill
some.
out. I like sport night.
High ground. Keep it slow.
I know. That was a lie.
All right, real quick. Thanks to our friends.
Dude, their filming is so good on this.
Make sure to check out the new VR Extreme mode that's only available in new states. No, I'm kidding. Nobody's coming. Click the link in our description to download and experience the new Troy mode now.
Look phenomenal.
Smoke grenades. Praise them! Look at all the hand warmers. Oh, Snow Sniper is awful. I don't know why I left camping.
A shield? If I lose now, no excuses, 100%
What the
on me.
heck?
Drone shop. Oh my goodness.
That's an airsoft gun?
So light, so compact. Put that in the pocket.
Oh my god.
All right, all that matters right now is another balloon. Dynamo balloon, baby. 500 worth it. Order, drone delivery. Here comes the thick boy.
How's a drone drop?
What?
We'll find that.
Niggas got drones delivering
Come on.
guns?
Stay low. No! I'm over here, drone boy! Oh, we're going to it. We're making a play. I got my thick boy. Come on, sorry, drone. Oh, someone taped this on like a science teacher.
Got him.
Oh!
It was there!
Wait, he has another balloon? Are you kidding me?
Here, we're running.
Dude, imagine he snipes that as he runs away.
Oh, dude, Jack.
Homie's found a kill streak.
You're mine, G. Let's go, Gare. I see you, boy.
What?
Look at this guy. You ain't seen firepower.
That's so cool!
Night shield can't hide forever.
I ain't no coward.
Bro, what?
Are you serious?
What?
I gotta get out of here.
There he is. Let's go.
What? He hit that shot through the smoke?
Well, good news is, hot chocolate should be ready for me. Oh, if I can move my knee. Cody's down there.
Not the thick boy, bro.
I swear I just hit it.
Listen to me now, listen to me now, it's going down.
Dude, I've hit his balloon twice.
I've hit you 3 times! Come on, baby, I know it's you!
What?
I guess I'm just gonna have to get close to him.
A grenade? Oh, it's a smoke.
Oh, tactical TT!
Bro, I was about to say, what the hell?
I smoke too, Buster! Big boy done! No! Big boy done!
That's crazy.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Hey, the 4-peat's over, my friend.
The 4 feet's over.
Scout drone. Okay, I'm down for that.
Hell yeah. My boy got the damn UAV.
Let's go to the backside of that big building and see if we can.
Got him.
Let's go, boy! You better run!
I don't need anything from that crate. I'm gonna hide right here, let it be bait, whoever comes, and waste him.
All right, this is either gonna be a really good decision or a really bad decision.
Bro, this is like a movie.
Uh-oh, it's really bad!
There's no way that's fair. Oh, he has one too. My boy got FMJ on that hook. Hey, yo!
Shoot time! Shoot smoke!
Did my boy just drop shot? My boy's taking like 2 grenades to the face, hella shots, and somehow he can't hit the balloon. This is crazy, bro. Oh my God! My boy got barrel stuff for the win.
Where's that little punk at? He's sitting behind the trailers too.
That would've been so tight.
Go!